I think the role of altafiber in playing a role in LGBTQ acceptance is, no different than how I look at acceptance in general, whether it be, race, ethnicity, sexual orientation. I've always said that my job as a CEO is to create an environment where everyone can bring their full self to work. I'm a firm believer that concept is about individuals feeling comfortable in a workplace, that they can bring their diversity to the workplace and who they are. That diversity and that diversity of thought, opinion, experience is honestly the value for corporations. That diversity is what makes us excel. And the one thing that corporations can do, and I want to do as a corporation, is to help people see that these aren't differences. These things are actually what makes us special and what makes us succeed. To truly solve problems and to truly take anything to the next level, you need opinions from every single angle. And you can't get that without diversity, period. And so what I need people to really think about is that the things that we talk about aren't differences. They're what makes us special, and that's what makes us excel and succeed as a corporation.